Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install Windows 7 using your bootable installation USB key onto your computer. So obviously here I have a computer. That's the most important thing you need. Next, you need a USB stick which has the bootable installation media on it. And what you're going to do now is plug in your USB and press the power button on your computer. Once it loads into the boot screen, to interrupt normal startup, press the blue Sync Vantage. So that's it. Press whatever key that allows you to choose a temporary startup device and wait for a bit. And start up from there. Windows is loading files. So because this is a Windows 7 installation, beware that Windows 7 installation media will not load on some old computers unless you've injected the drivers using the Gigabyte Windows 7 download tool, which you can go check out by clicking the pop-up banner in the top right hand corner of the screen. Now it's on. So English, United States, implemented US, next. And I'm gonna do a clean install, so I'll click install now. Setup is starting. Okay, so here's the license terms. It's no use reading it because it's really long and boring, and you will have to accept it if you want to install. So click next. Custom. Now on systems with security chips, you might want to check your BIOS again to make sure that you deactivated your security chip in order to proceed with the installation successfully, because the security chip is gonna want to interfere with the installation. So now, as you can see, after I disable the security chip, it will actually allow me to install. And when I click next, proceed, yes. Now at this stage, yet again, you gotta wait for it to finish. Windows will reboot several times during the installation, and just let it be. Start Windows normally. Now after a long period of waiting, we are finally in the setup screen where we will enter the name and password of our machine and choose some express settings like this one right here and configure the clock. And here we go, we are ready. As you can see, here is our Windows 7 desktop. After installing some drivers, it should be good to rock. So there you have it guys, we have successfully installed Windows 7 on our machine here. If you liked the video, please give it a like and make sure to subscribe and ring that bell for future videos like this. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.